Bonjour à tous! Today we are going to have a look at the adjectives in French. Adjectives are the words that we use to describe our nouns. So let's have a look at few adjectives. First of all, what are adjectives? Adjectives are words that describe the qualities or states of being of nouns. For example, big, small, beautiful, second, kind, green. So for instance, a pen is a noun. So if I want to describe my pen, I'm going to use adjectives like big pen, small pen, beautiful pen, all such things. Another thing to remember is that in French language, the adjectives need to agree with the gender and the number of noun. What do I mean by the gender and number of noun? For instance, let's take an example. Petit. This word in French means small. Alright, petit means small. So if I'm using this word with sac, that is a bag. So I'm going to say petit sac. That is the masculine form of saying small bag. If I'm saying for the plural form of bag, that is masculine plural, it's going to be petit sac with an extra S in the spelling of petit. If I'm talking about a car, in that case I'm going to say petite voiture. Why so? Because car, that is feminine in gender. So in case of feminine, I'm going to add an extra E in the spelling of petite. If it is feminine plural, then I'm going to add an extra S as well along with E. So that is going to be petite voiture. So what I mean to say is, the spelling of adjectives is going to change based on the gender and number of our noun. Don't be afraid of this thing. If you already know Hindi language, then over there also we do the same. Acha din, achhi raat. So that is din, which is masculine in gender. So we say acha. Whereas raat, that is feminine in gender, we say achhi. So acha, achhi, acha pen, achhi pencil. The same way we are going to do in French as well. So let's have a look at few basic adjectives in French. The first one is il est beau. Il est beau. He is beautiful. Elle est belle. She is beautiful. Elle est belle. So the masculine form of beautiful or handsome, that is beau. And the feminine, for the females, we are going to say belle. Il est grand. He is tall. Il est grand. Elle est grande. She is tall. Elle est grande. So do you see the change in spelling? Over here in the first case, it is il est grand without an E in the spelling of grand. Whereas in the second case, it is elle est grande with an extra E because it is for the feminine. Il est petit. He is small. Il est petit. Elle est petite. She is small. Elle est petite. The spelling of petit changes. For the females, it is petite with an extra E. Le thé est chaud, mais le café est froid. The tea is hot, but the coffee is cold. Le thé est chaud, mais le café est froid. So if we are using the word hot and cold for something feminine, then in that case we are going to add an extra E to both of them. So chaud becomes chaud and froid becomes froid. For young, il est jeune, elle est jeune. Il est jeune, elle est jeune. So now, just in case if our adjective is already ending in E, in that case for both the parts, the masculine and the feminine, it's going to remain the same. So over here in this case, the spelling of young is jeune, which is already ending in E. So in that case, there is no need to convert the spelling in case of the feminine part. Il est vieux. Il est vieux. He is old. Elle est vieille. Elle est vieille. I'm not pronouncing this word as VL. No, the double L in French is going to remain silent whenever it comes between I and E. So the pronunciation of this word is VI. LAVI. She is old. Shinchan est content. Shinchan is happy. Shinchan est content. Nobita est triste. Nobita est triste. Nobita is sad. So for the word happy, it is content. If we are using the same word for females, let's suppose if I want to use this word for Anushi. Anushi est contente. In that case, I am going to use an extra E in the spelling of content. Nobita est triste. In this case, the word sad, it is already ending in E. Triste. Thus, for the female thing also, we are going to use the same spelling. For weak and strong. So for weak, the word is faible. Faible. And for strong, it is fort. Fort for the masculine, and for the females, it is fort. So let's suppose if I want to say Raj est faible. Raj is weak. Sanya est faible. Sanya is weak. It's both going to be same. But the same way if I want to say strong. So Raj est fort. Raj is strong. Sanya est fort. Sanya is strong. For funny, the word is drôle. Drôle. For the females also, we are going to use the same adjective with the same spelling, drôle. And for serious, for the males, we are going to use sérieux, and for the females, it is sérieuse. Try making few sentences using these adjectives in the comment box below. For example, you can try making sentences like Sanya est drôle, mais Raj est sérieux. Yes. And if you have any doubts, then please don't forget to drop them down in the comment box below. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated for the future videos. A bientôt!